Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. Ray back in the garden. Having a grand time. I can hardly stand myself. And I just love talking about some of these beautiful annuals with gorgeous flowers like fan flower. Its botanical name is Scaevola, but if you look at the flowers, they kind of look like little fans. Just a beautiful plant. Comes in blues and dark blues and whites. And as in this is in a container, and it's a beautiful filler. Just spills out the side. There's lots of different varieties, lots of different choices, but all of these are tough. Love the heat, have no problem whatsoever with hot summers or cool summers. Give them a go. Fan flower. If you want more information, you might want to take a look at my app, Armitage's Great Garden Plants. Have fun.